discussion about the role of LiDAR in supply chain animation. My guest today is Peipei Zhao. He is president of North America with Robosense. Hello, Peipei.
Hello.
Thank you very much for being with me. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Let's talk about LiDAR. What is LiDAR?
LiDAR, L-I-D-A-R, is light detection and ranging. It's a device with high accuracy and real-time instant detection device, widely used, laser-based, widely used in autonomous driving, assistant driving systems for cars, autonomy robots, and also those warehouse autonomy and other areas like smart city infrastructures. It's widely used in all kind of different vertical industries.
Okay, so where does it fit into supply chain automation specifically?
Yeah, talk about 24 modecs. We like to use full spectrum for LiDAR empower the supply chain automation. Take an example. A consumer buys something from home, and the logistics will be a big pile of the goods arrive at the warehouse, undock, autonomy with the robo, then distribution and pile into the warehouse. We're waiting for the further shipping. This all could be done with some robots with LiDAR system on it. And also when they do the distribution, and LiDAR can monitor the accuracy and also the instantly like a 60 per minute, 90 per minute, how many parcels they can handle per minute. Then they can put those parcels into a delivery robot to be the outdoor delivery robot to the people's house. That's all the cycle. We purchase something online and deliver door to door. LiDAR is a laser sensor in the smart sensing system to empower the whole process. And also we're going back, like just we talk about the warehouse. Without LiDAR, LiDAR has a capability of a 3D sensing instantly system. With the LiDAR device of robot on it, they will know where to pile all the goods to save the spaces, maximize the usage of space. It's a good of efficiency, good of the cost. Yeah. For example.
How long has LiDAR been a factor in supply chain animation? Is it something that's really new, or has it been in warehouses and distribution centers for a while now?
Yeah, I think LiDAR was invented beginning of 2000s in North America, but that time it's like single laser beam, and later become more laser beam. A laser beam is 1632, become more data intensive, more accuracy. For example, right now, the prevailing performance for LiDAR is 0.1 to 1 degree resolution with the accuracy level of 1 millimeter. So those really empower this device, can empower the full automation of the supply chain, just we talk about. Also, the other part would be safety. When a AG vehicle, auto-guided vehicle, trying to design the route to take those 10 pieces of goods from A to B location, just like some spaces like the stroll hall. And they have to decide which route to go fastest and without any, anything in the way, they can detour it. So it saves the efficiency and save time to go from A to B. And sometimes when anything happens, for example, when the robo move or the forklifts with driver move and something drop from the high level, the shelves, we can do like an emergency brake function. Those are very instant time needed.
Instantaneous reaction?
Yes.
Instantaneous.
It's called automatic emergency brake system. It's also, LiDAR is empowering for.
What does it replace, if anything? I mean, was it RFID before? What other types of identification technologies were in use before LiDAR came into the warehouse?
For example, like if you're in other sensor like camera system, we're going to keep the light on, right? But right now, if you got something with LiDAR, autonomous robot, even cleaning or moving or piling systems, you can shut down the light and go home. And we'll see the robot tomorrow. Everything will be on there. We don't need like a sunlight or any light on, dark place. And sometimes it's higher accuracy needed. Like we're moving a lot of like small electronics components, very small. We can see, we know where it is in this big hall. Those LiDAR will tell you where it is and how to pile to maximize the storage usage.
Is it a complete replacement for like cameras and things like that, or is it a complementary technology that goes right alongside it? How do you balance the use of all that in a warehouse?
I would say it's more comprehensive solution. It's a good add-on for current solutions to be more time instantly and more higher performance, more accuracy when they need it. Yep.
Yeah, and
They can work with other sensors all together and data collection and also analysis system for manufacturing warehouse and work together to have better performance, better efficiency. Yep.
So can we expect to see more use of LiDAR in warehouse and supply chain situations going forward?
I would say yes, because right now the trend we can see the warehouse is getting larger and larger. When people buying something online, they really expect could be delivered tomorrow morning, overnight. Even right now it's already 11 p.m.
Yeah.
So those robots can help increase the efficiency. And it's not surprise here, we buy something that $5.99, $4.99, including shipping. It's unbelievable. With those robots, it's also feasible because they lower the cost and maybe per parcel, per shipping, could be like 10 cents within the 5 miles of the warehouse and within a couple hours. Yeah, that's very necessary now. Particularly people expect better performance, faster shipment, and the cost is also minimized by those warehousing storage, optimizing usage, higher efficiency, deliver faster, and like we talk about 80 per minute parcel packaging like that. Yeah.
Oh, sounds like a very compelling solution in an environment, as you say, where customers are so demanding that something like this is absolutely required in supply chain automation. Thank you so much, Peipei, for telling us a little bit about LiDAR. I'd like to ask you very quickly, though, about Robosense. Specifically, how do you guys fit in to the whole picture that we've just been talking about?
Sure, Robosense actually, we just went public listed back in January this year. So with a large scale from actually automobile industry, we bring the application from high speed scenario to like robo right now we talk about is low speed scenario. And we also bring the scenario of usage outdoor to mostly like indoor usage right now. So there's a lot of know-how, like how to prove waterproof, how to make it more durable, how to make it faster. In a high mission critical scenario, how can we make that part safe and perform as well? We'll get a lot of lesson learned and know-hows and technology bring to the warehouse industry. It's definitely going to be speed up those cycles. How can we improve those total solution to warehouse, to automation of supply chains? It's very important. Also, from scale side, it's important too, because automobile we call is like really low mix, high volume. Some certain customer will buy 3,000 K per year for certain model cars in different country, but they bring the scale. Then we can get those scalability, then profitability, then innovation again. Those cycles keep going. We can bring more innovation to this automation for supply chain. We call it full space. Yeah.
Thanks again, Peipei. I really appreciate your time and educating us on LiDAR technology. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
I've been speaking with Peipei Zhao of Robosense. Thank you very much for watching.